So in question 17, we've got a quadratic, and we're supposed to complete the square. The square bracket I'm going to be forming will be x minus half of this coefficient here. So x minus 4 squared. Now, if you imagine two of these brackets alongside each other, yeah, we get the x squared, that's great. And the underneath multiplications will give us negative 8x. So both of these terms will be generated. The trouble is, negative 4 times negative 4 produces a positive 16, which we have to remove immediately. Or these two expressions will not be equal, not forgetting the plus 3 on the end. So a small simplification, put these numbers together, I get x minus 4 squared minus 13. So we've got it into a completed square form. Now we're asked to interpret the shape of the quadratic from what we've done. Part B. And we've got to write down the coordinates of the turning point of the original function. Well, we can now use our completed square expression to work out the turning point. And the logic goes like this. This squared term is determined to be positive. The only time it's not positive is when x is equal to 4, when this whole squared term drops to 0, leaving a y value of 13. At all other times, this will add to the y value of negative 13 and pull the graph up. And this complies with the fact that this is a U-shaped quadratic. So therefore I can say the turning point, the TP, is at 4, negative 13. And that's the answer to the second part of part A. Now part B. So in part B, which is unrelated to part A, we're supposed to solve this other quadratic. Find the roots, in other words. And the clue here is that we want the answers correct to 3 significant figures. So this will not work out easily by inspection. We have to use the quadratic formula, which is this. I always think with these questions, there's enough to do with this formula. Just write a list of what A, B, and C are. I've got A is equal to 7, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to negative 5. So I get minus 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 4 times AC. 4 times A, which is 28, minus 5. Do some simple calculations in your head. It'll make the calculator's job a little bit easier. And that's divided by 2 times A, which is 14. And if you put that into a calculator, you get the two values of x is equal to 0.449 and negative 1.59. And those are the answers for part B. On part C, we're still on quadratics, and we've got yet another quadratic, this time in K, and we've got Alex trying to make a solution. And we're supposed to work out the mistake that Alex has made. So let's check his answer here. The first multiplication, 3k squared, that's correct. And the second multiplication here, negative 2 times positive 4, yes, that's correct. Now the underneaths. This gives us 12k, and this gives us negative 2k, so this is correct. I can find nothing wrong with that. Now what's he done? Oh, there's the mistake. Look, he said that k is equal to 2. No, the correct answer is that k must equal 2 over 3. He's forgotten the fact that you've got 3k here, and k is equal to negative 4. And there's the answer. The correct values for k are 2 over 3 and negative 4. And Alex got the first bracket solution wrong. And that's the end of question 7, which all in all would have gained you 7 marks.